Today I'll be reviewing for you the well-loved calming chews for dogs. It helps reduce stress and anxiety. These soft chews have been amazing with our two dogs. They have hemp seed and melatonin in them and really help to calm our dogs that we have. If you are looking for something, a treat of sorts that you can give at nighttime possibly to help calm the dogs down right before bed, or even if you have an energetic dog that when you have company or something, you need to calm them down, this product is for you. The Well Loved brand is a wonderful, trusted brand. We use it repeatedly, and I think you'll enjoy it. Pick it up today.